Hello guys, how are you doing? In this video I want to teach you how to create BYBIT account and connect it to CORNIX. First of all, go to BYBIT site, then put your email and set a password for it, then click on get my welcome gifts, and then BYBIT will send you a code. You should check your email, then put the code that they sent to you and paste it, and after that your BYBIT account is created. To connect it to CORNIX, go to your profile, then click on API, then click on create a new key, and for creating new API key, you should enable Google authentication. For doing that, click on setup, then you should go a little down and click on Google two-factor, click on setting, then BYBIT will send you again an email that contains verification code. You should put that verification code on the fields and then click confirm, and then you should scan this QR code with your Google Authenticator, or you can also click on the plus button on Google Authenticator application, and then put Google 2 verification code and then click confirm. Then you should log in again with your Google code. After you log in, go to API, then click on your profile, go to API and click on system generated API key, then click on connect third party application, and then choose CORNIX. You should be sure that you click on read and write permission, enable order, enable position, and enable trade, and then click submit. After that, you should again put your Google 2FA verification code, and now you have API key and API secret key. Now you should register on CORNIX. You can check our pin message on our channel Orchid Academy. Click on the link, our affiliate link. With registering with that link, you will get discount, and this page will appear. Now you should put your first name and last name, put your email and set a password and agree to terms and condition, and then click on register, and CORNIX will send you a code to your email. You should put that code on the fields, and then click on BYBIT USDT and put a name for your account, and then go back to your BYBIT and copy API key and paste it on the API field, copy API secret key, paste it on API secret field, and then click connect. And in next page, click on I want to explore instead. Then you should connect your Telegram to CORNIX. For doing that, from the left menu, click on account and groups, and you can see your API there. Click on it. First you should connect your Telegram. Click on a Telegram icon, and now click on get UUID, and then with your Telegram account you should go to this ID. This is the ID for CORNIX bot. I'm gonna copy it and paste it on search. Then I will click on start, and the next thing you're gonna do is type /connect_web. I copy it and then paste it on that bot, and here we are. CORNIX will send us a code. I copy this code and paste it on the website, and after that I click on get code again, Cornix will send you another code, and you should put the new code in the field, and then click continue. And now your Telegram is connected to Cornix. The next step you're gonna do is connect your Cornix to a channel that support Cornix. Our VIP channel support Cornix. If you don't sign in our VIP channel, you can DM Orchid VIP for joining our VIP, and then I will send you the link of our Cornix channel, and there you can connect our VIP channel to Cornix. If the channel doesn't appear in a group field, just go to our channel, click on follow signal, and then click connect there, and then you can see our VIP channel listed on group side, and then you should click on your API, then enable Cornix for our channel, and after that click on edit button. After that go to trading configuration tab, and then click on edit, and for your amount per trade you can choose any amount you want. My suggest amount is 5% to 8% maximum. I choose 6 and enable close trade on take profit or stop loss before entry. You can enable first entry grace too, and for trailing stop loss I choose moving target, and for entry I choose 1 entry. For take profit I choose 3 targets. In that case position will be closed after reaching take profit 3, and I want to create custom strategy. My strategy is closing 50% of my position on TP1 and closing 25% on TP2 and the remaining position on TP3, and then I'm gonna click on the strategy I created, and then go a little bit down, and for OG trading filter you should remove this 15 minutes a mean interval for same symbol, and just delete it, and then save your setting, and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any more questions, you can contact Orchid VIP on Telegram.